엄청나게 부었고요. 운동을 하러 가려고 합니다. 약간 쌀쌀한 것 같아서 이걸로 입고 빨아야겠다. 그냥 안에 반팔 입었는데 많이 올라갔다가 내려오려고 합니다. 그럼 가볼게요. 더 죽을 것 같아요. 여기로 쭉 가서 저기를 사람들이 올라가고 있는데 쭉 올라와서 저기까지 갈 거예요. 찍고 내려오겠습니다. 천문대는 저쪽에 있고요. LA가 이렇게 보입니다. 지난주에 왔던 데랑 반대편이에요. 올라왔는데 저기 또 뭐가 있어. 저기로 가볼까? 짱 힘들어. 다 왔습니다. 오늘 하이킹. 지금 이제 나가고 있습니다. 오늘은 연보라색 바지. 일단 브런치를 혼자 먹고 아이패드로 그림 그리다가 약속 장소로 가겠습니다. 얼굴 이렇게 뚱뚱 부었냐. 오늘은 주말이니까 외식을 할 거예요. 요즘 외식 좀 자주 하긴 했거든요, 사실. 하지만 주말이고 주말이니까 오늘은 맛있는 거 먹을 거예요. 언제나 그랬듯이. 그리고 나서 웨스트 러브? 저거는 시즈나. 아무튼 가서 맛있는 거 먹고 저녁에 같이 해변가 근처에서 같이 무슨 미우 여자애들이랑 모임하는 거 있어가지고 가서 새로운 사람들 만나보려고요. 심심하니까 그냥 아무데나 가는 거예요. 모두집 만나고 재밌을 것 같아요. 근데 거기 근처에서 불 피우고 노는 거거든요. 그래서 스낵 좀 갖고 가고 그냥 새로운 친구들 사귀려고 한번 가봅니다. 너무 재밌을 것 같아요. 오늘은 그렇게 시간을 보낼 겁니다. 아침에 운동하고 왔고 지금 가서 브런치 먹고 거기 가면 된다. 아, 브런치 가서 뭐 먹지? 에그 베네딕트 먹고 싶다. 아니면 프리타타? 그것도 되게 맛있어 보이는데. 지난번에 팝업마켓 갔던 거기로 가서 일단 먹고 비치가 거기에서 별로 멀지가 않아가지고 그쪽으로 가는 거예요. the fried chicken?
Sure. You want to do the chipotle barbecue sauce on the side or the mustard pickle remoulade?
Barbecue sauce, please.
Okay, anything else?
너무 이쁘다.
Continue for 2 miles.
Damn wrong, damn right, damn caught in the middle. I'm along for the ride. Close my eyes, keep it simple. Never mind, never mind. I think I'm going about this the wrong way. Oh, oh, oh. Now I feel like loose change out your pocket on a Monday.
보니까 얘네가 뭐 과자도 사오고 이것저것 사오는 것 같아요. 얘기하다 보니까. 그래서 저도 뭘 좀 사가야 될 것 같아서 근처에 마트가 없어가지고 99센트 스토어에 왔어. 뭐 스낵이라도 사든지 필요한 거 좀 사야 될 것 같아. 99센트. 여기 동네 처음 와보는데 재밌군요. 역시 99센트 지하에 있나? 어디 있지? 내가 뭐 필요해?
I'm ready for that one.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain.
Yeah, that's the part about moving to LA. It's replace the roof.
It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know.
So excited.
Oh, okay. The other side was always green. There isn't any color.
You taking a video?
Yeah. I tried it. Who got the point? Who got the point?
I have to watch more of it. All right, next is Sarah. So I've watched a little.
No, you can try it 3 times. Isn't it? I don't know. Just try it. Whatever.
You just can't miss 2 more times on your turn.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So now it's Sarah.
Wow, this seems so much farther away.
Forever. All right, Summer, you're next.
No, she's a pro.
Ask me if I'm okay.
That was amazing.
Kind of
Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that fire. Do it. Come on, fire starters. Start fire.
There you go.
Keep going. Come on. You can do it, little fire. Frick. No. Hey.
Oh.
You can do it. Oh, yeah, we need Kimberly again.
Sorry if I'm not in the mood. I don't really have a good excuse.
Yeah, let's put some more paper in there. Needs to be a little bit strong.
Real growth.
Tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, I'm coming back slowly, so slowly.
Fake friend.
I just kind of looked at it. Okay,
Can I take a video?
Yes. It takes a minute though. So you
so
get
marshmallow.
marshmallow. You like chocolate, right?
Sure.
Okay. Do you want regular chocolate or do you want like? I feel like you need regular for your first one. Like
is
this
fine.
is
Anything
the
is
most
fine.
classic one. Yeah.
Okay.
S'mores are literally like the quintessential American camping.
Right.
Like
Actually, I wanted to try it today, but we didn't have any snacks for s'mores. Okay, we're going now. Right now. Okay,
now
over there.
we go to the fire.
Okay.
I feel like maybe you should hold it. Do you want me to do it or do you want me to do it?
I'll do that. I'll do that.
Yeah, grab that, and then you put it above, like, you don't want to burn it. So you have to put it, like, in the coals, like, right there.
Hold on. 잠깐만.
Yeah.
On the fire?
Yeah, like, right there, yeah.
Here?
Yeah. It's like, you have to, like, for a minute or 2. No.
No, it's burning.
It's gotta be, like, right here.
You need help?
No, I'm good. So you need it like this, because you gotta get, like, nice and brown, you know?
Yeah.
You gotta get, like, nice and melted. Oh, yeah, do you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's good. It's not ready yet.
Look at his face.
Like, bitch. So break it in half. Okay. And I'll put the chocolate on one half of it.
One half of it?
Yeah, on one half
Break-
of it.
break
No,
this?
no, don't break it. Put it like right like that. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now this goes on here, and then use the other side of the chocolate to like push the. So yeah, but like. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Right now?
Yeah. Now you have a s'more. No, you can use it just like
So
that.
I can't even.
You're gonna get messy. It's gonna get messy.
High calorie snack.
Oh, it's like so high.
Yeah, but
calorie.
it looks yummy. Okay.
Yeah.
Let me, oh my god. My head.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Get it like that. There you go. It's good, right?
So sweet.
Yeah. It's like a quintessential American like snack, you know, when you're camping and around a fire. Yeah.
So good. Thanks for making me.
힘들어. 목 나간 것 같은데. 너무 재밌게 놀았어요. 내 차 어디 있지 근데? 제 차를 못 찾겠습니다. 내 차요?